Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 32, effective until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: George, Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River, and Stone, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the